Welcome back to Boating with Fraser. Hope you're doing well. On today's episode of the rebuild series, we're just going to be doing something small. Just going to be painting my exhaust cover and cleaning up some surfaces on my exhaust cover gasket. Just cleaning up the exhaust cover surfaces. Yeah, it's coming along pretty nicely now. I mean, I hope to have it on the water. Not on the water, I hope to have the engine block back together by the next sort of 2 weeks, and then we'll be able to drop the power head back on the midsection and just get the seats done, and then we'll be ready for the water. Should be an exciting day. But yeah, it's just a short episode today. I'm just going to be cleaning up my covers and my exhaust plate and respraying it. There's a little bit of a scratch on it. When I took that exhaust plate off, man, I was pretty lucky that only 2 screws seized in there, because, you know, so some of those covers can be really difficult to get off. Like, a lot of those bolts can seize in there, and you have to drill them out, and oh my god. So yeah, I was pretty lucky to get away with 2, but just hit them up and pulled them out. But yeah, I'm currently on the way to work. See when I'm in there. Just kind of get a monster real quick. Fiending my morning caffeine, so I'm going to get a drink real quick, and then we'll be there. Can't lie, these monsters hit different. Cheddar monster. Yummy. Here's the block. Now I've cleaned up these surfaces in here, as you can see, but 2 of these bolts got stuck in here. We're going to be respraying this, because when I had the heat on it to get the bolts out, it's pretty damaged the paint, but I just want it to look nice. I mean, the CDI is going to cover that anyway, but still got to get it looking nice. Look at that gasket. It's bloody good quality. It's coming off one. That's ideal. Look at that. One piece. Ready to reuse that? Nah, kidding. Pretty good. Even with it snapped, I still can't get it out, so we're gonna have to get some heat on the dog. When you got salt, heat's your best friend. Breaking up all that salt. There we have it. That's literally just a shank, smooth edge, and it was still stuck in there. Just goes to show what the salt can do, eh? Now we're going to clean this up in the wash bay and get it ready for a paint. Just let that soak for a bit. Bloody pissing down. You can hear it on the roof. These gasket cleaners are just a lifesaver. Looking a bit better. All those marks you can see, it's smooth over there, but those marks are down to the middle, but they're still smooth. It's good enough. Bloody good. It's hammering down now. Look at that. Some heavy rain. The camera doesn't do the justice. Just look at the ground. Oh, I've got this genuine Yamaha spray here. Yamaha touch-up paint. Just going to be the same colour match for it. But yeah, we'll just let her dry up from the wash bay, and we'll privet to paint. It's raining quite a bit at the moment, so it does leak a bit in here. So I'm just trying to find a spot where it's not gonna leak. let that sit for a bit, give it another coat. There we have it. Beautiful. Bloody awesome. Looking much better. Like I did say, it was a bit of a short episode today, but those are just some small things I had to get caught up on. And hopefully very soon we'll have this engine back and running on the water, cruising down 100, no kidding, I don't know how fast we'll get it, but we'll try to get it pretty quick. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Keep you updated on the build, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.